Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to start a new session on machine learning. This will be a very big session. It will be usually taking around 3 to 4 months in order to completing this. This will be dividing into a small session. We will be discussing 2 to 3 parts in each, and we will also be discussing the coding parts using Python programming language. And I also show you how various kind of algorithms such as linear regression, multiple linear regression that are used in machine learning. And we will also be discussing about a deep neural network, which will be a very good way to understand the artificial intelligence. So here is the agenda that we are going to do it. So we will be discussing about what is machine learning, what is supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning. Then I will be start linear regression, multiple linear regression, polynomial regression. So these all regression topics will taken off in the next class, where I also be discussing the theoretical part of the linear regression and then the programming part of the linear regression. So for this session I will be discussing what is machine learning, supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. So let's start. So the first question is, what is machine learning? Why it is such a hot topic in this time? So I will be reading the definition what I have written in this file, but I will explain in a better way what it is all actually. So let me just read it. Machine learning is an of artificial intelligence that provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it, learn for themselves. The process of learning begins with the observation or data such as examples, direct experience or instruction in order to look for patterns in data and make better decisions in the future based on the example that provide. The primary aim is to allow the computer learn automatically without human intervention or assistance and adjust action accordingly. So in the second part, what it specify, the observation or data such as example, direct experience or instructions in order to look for patterns in data and make better decisions in the future based on the examples that provide. So as you know, like each and every day huge amount of data is getting created, like we are using various social networking like Facebook, Twitter. We have lots of data. So based on that data we can apply some sort of algorithms and predict something in order to bring in outcomes. We can predict various kind of things. You have already seen various e-commerce websites, Amazon, Alibaba, Flipkarts and many more. So these websites collecting data of interacting customer who are buying things online. So through on that data they are predicting the customer behavior, that what customer actually want. So machine learning is about making a computer program to learn automatically to predict some information from the data that already present. Okay, so the next thing is what kind of topics, what kind of uh, types we have of a machine learning. So supervised machine learning is the type of machine learning. Okay, it can okay, so it can apply what has been learned in the past to new data using labeled examples to predict future events, starting from the analysis of of known training data set. The learning algorithm produce an inferred function to make predictions about the output values. The system is able to provide targets for any new input after sufficient training. The learning algorithm can also compare its output with the correct intended output and find errors in order to modify the model accordingly. So let me give you a small preview about it. What is this supervised machine learning? So as I said, supervised machine learning is nothing but you will be having a lots of observation and the data, and based on that data you will be applying in algorithms and predict the future. So in best way, and I will provide you a good example. So on the x-axis, we have the experience of the IT candidates, and on the y-axis is basically the salary and lakhs of the candidates. So here you see in 1 year, okay, in 1 year experience, the candidate have the salary 2 lakhs something. Okay, so what it is, this is a best fit line through which we predict the salary of the employee through their experience. Okay, so in future if the company want to predict 9 years experience person salary, so they can predict the salary using the input experience. Okay, so this is one kind of linear regression example. So guys, this all for this video. I will come up with the next video, so please to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe my channel for further more videos. Thank you one and all.